Okay, so this is the Aim Small Firearms Practical Rifle Hunting class, and this is the moving deer target. Moving at a nice walking pace. And this is the class. That's an ass over there. It's Louis Daggs. Okay, we'll do this like at 2 speeds. Kev, why don't you just film this whole mess for like, film like 1 or 2 people. You ready, Lou?
Yeah, 4, okay? 4's good. Oh wait, I can't do that.
Why not? Yeah, push it in. No, push the. Watch this. If you want.
Yeah, I was gonna load one in.
Yeah. So what you do is, where's the round you want to load in?
That one. Top one.
So you want to load that one in?
Yeah.
I mean, you want to put another one in?
Well, I was going to, but now I won't.
If you put another one in, all you have to do is do this. Push this down and then the bolt over the top. You know what I'm saying?
This way?
Yeah. If you want to push, you see how you push the.
Right.
If you want a 5th round in. You put one on the top.
Right.
And you push down the last round.
Oh,
so that
right.
it doesn't feed it.
Right, because then I want a double feed. All right, so now I'm like this, so I'm good, right?
Yeah.
Let's do that. This one.
Yeah. Show me that when I'm up. It's empty.
You're right. Bottom thing. Start again. Okay, good.
You got to make sure you push straight down from the back.
Got it.
Because that thing will get cockeyed.
That's it.
Hang on 1 second. Okay. We're gonna run this the first time.
You want to move that over?
Kind of like a little, like a walking speed.
If we just put that over,
Okay.
we're going to be shooting.
Okay. Kev, if you can like swing around and get the, like the back side too, watch this way the target's in the thing. All right, everybody got eyes on? Cheers. Paul, you want the cloth over there?
Over like where we're shooting?
Yeah, we can do that real quick.
Yeah, just so.
Yeah, just to help pick up brass.
Yeah. I mean, it's just a.
You know, if you shot like right over his shoulder, like right from here, exactly what he sees.
Okay.
That's good. That'll help us pick up brass.
Exactly.
All right. So Lou, when it starts moving,
Yeah.
let's see if we can get 2 shots, 2 accurate shots on the deer. It's moving slow enough that if you're just in that front quarter of that target, like on that front half, the bullet we should be okay.
Okay.
All right. When it moves. Okay, so just down for a second. You scored 2 hits.
Yeah, I see it.
And actually those are both, the fact that they're low is actually good because the deer is above us, which sends the bullet up through the you know what I'm saying?
Right.
If you're high,
Trajectory.
basically, so you're going to catch the lungs.
Okay.
What you do, just sling the gun. You got a sling?
Yeah.
Just put safety on, sling the gun, next guy up. Cool. Next.
Go ahead.
And my suggestion is try to get the 2 rounds in while the deer's in the open. Whoa. But that was a pretty good shot considering that there was all that brush and shit we're shooting over. So when it moves. Good. And this is got one just below the pink, and one just above the front shoulder, but just above the elbow joint. and then miss directly behind the black. Maybe not. Cool. Next.
What are we doing, 2?
Yeah, 2 rounds. Give me this. Give me this. Okay. Practically, this is the way you'd have the gun, and the deer would start, and you would just, you know what I'm saying? You're not always going to have time to wrap your arm around the stock, so we ain't cheating today. There's no cheating here. The reality is we're talking about a 35, 40-yard shot at a deer that's basically walking.
Okay.
Crosshairs, middle of the deer, squeeze the trigger, keep the gun dragging through the target slowly.
Yep.
Too much of that friggin' green tree shooting shit that you do, right? What is it? Johnny Appleseed. Whatever the hell that shit is.
Yeah,
No, it's very nice, but it's like it's not practical. It's not real world. It's not what we're doing.
All right, almost qualified at 300. Yep. Okay.
Okay.
Doesn't matter.
Okay, I can't even.
All right, we start again. What's the matter?
Couldn't even see it through the scope.
Why?
Yeah, there's glare. There's glare.
Well, it's practical.
Yeah, I caught the glare.
It is practical.
Slide over.
No, here. You're standing in the sun. Put it right there. Okay. You ready? No. What's the matter?
I didn't even.
Between, just watch the muzzle. You can sling it if you want me. You put it on there.
Between the parallax. Yeah, it took me to then to get cheek weld on there, and yeah, there I'm on there.
It's okay. All right, we'll do it again. Okay. Step up.
What's that?
Are you all set?
Yeah.
Okay. Drop the gun. Drop the gun. Drop the gun off your shoulder.
Oh.
Right?
Yeah.
Like kind of like a field carry.
Oh, I see.
You see the deer. It's moving slow enough.
Much better with 3 magnification.
Find the scope.
Why?
Squeeze
What
the
were you
trigger.
on?
Keep the gun moving.
Yeah, you don't want to shoot that
Get
close
another
at
round.
10x.
You know what I'm saying?
You
Too
won't
much
see
movement.
anything.
Yeah.
So I'll leave it on safety because I do.
Well, yeah, you can. Listen, I don't usually put the safety on as a norm. You know, like I don't normally just leave it on. A lot of times I'll walk, I'll take it off. It's really up to the shooter.
Okay.
So if you want to work the safety, that's fine.
Right.
You ready?
Right.
Two hits. Very close to the pink.
Yeah.
Actually, yeah. One. Yeah, you double tap one of the other touch. So there's 1, 2, 3. There's 6 holes in the target right now.
Okay.
As good as
Somebody
I do.
film 7, yeah.
You know what the problem with that is?
What?
You have to speak Finnish.
That works.
You have to be able to talk to it in the right language.
Yeah. It's basically on. It's good, you know. So later on, at some point in the future,
Ready?
when I have like a spare 1,000 for a really awesome scope, you know,
Come on.
which I'm not going to have for a while.
You know what's in
Well, that was no fun.
So the first round shot low.
Oh, right, missed.
See it right
See that
That's a
big
big
hole
hole,
right
right?
underneath?
Oh, okay.
And the second shot was in the kill, but that's going to hit